Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy way to create a mobile responsive version of your website. So this is something I know a lot of designers struggle with, and I used to be that person till I devised a very quick and easy means of doing that. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. So let's get right into it. One thing you have to bear in mind in order to easily achieve the mobile responsive version of your website is that you really have to leverage auto layout. I'm going to create an auto layout between these two elements by pressing Shift A, and then I'm going to give it an automatic spacing rather than adding digits. The next thing you want to do is to give these two different elements a horizontal sizing of fill container. Then you highlight the container itself, which you've achieved using auto layout, and then set the constraints to left and right and leave this at the top. Then you do the same for this one. Set the constraints to left and right and leave it to the top. Then the next thing you want to do is that you have to find any mobile frame size of your choice. But for me, I'm going to go with 390. So what you're going to do is to just click on this, and once you click it and you see the magic happen. So once you click it, you see that this has collapsed to your normal mobile size, both the width and the height. So what you have to do now is that you shouldn't be scared at this point, because this is how auto layout really works. It's easily like collapses. And also you have to bear in mind that the element sizes you used for the website version can't be the same as the ones you're going to use for your mobile version. So all you need to do now is that you have to start adjusting the sizes of everything. So for example, my text size, I'm going to take it from 72 to 40, and I'm going to adjust the height to 48. In the web version, this image was on the horizontal side. So what you're going to do is, because this is an auto layout, instead of putting it on the horizontal layout, just fix it to the vertical layout. Then you keep adjusting. So for this, I'm just going to change my text size to 16. Then you start adjusting everything. I'm going to adjust the spacing from 178 to 72. I'm also going to adjust the image size from 500 to 220. Let me just give it 220. So yes, everything is coming along now and everything is making sense. All you need to do here is that you replace this nav menu with your menu icon, and then you have to reduce the size of your logo in order to fit that mobile version. So I'm just going to paste to replace. So once I do that, it automatically fixes itself. Adjust this. This is what it looks like. Come to the end of this video, and I really hope that you learned something. If you have questions, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I'm obviously going to reply you. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.